ago, customers also mentioned that during the charging phase, sometimes the phone overheats really hot, and right now the battery level is about 98%, and the display is very dim. So customer would like to take a look, would like for us to take a look to see if there's anything that we can do for her. Thank you, Cyberion. We also want to get the customer's permission to remove the bottom 2 screws and lift up the bottom panel and take a look at the inside as well. Yeah.
Oh, you could turn the brightness down too.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't know if that was part of the lead. I don't know. Just turn it down.
And how did you hear about us? How did you hear about us?
Oh no, actually, I just came in to I was with Verizon initially by new phone, because that one was not working. And they said they didn't have the iPhone 8 Plus rate in stock. They had to ship it out of town. So I came here. I was like, let me see if I get it fixed before I leave or what. I don't know. I wanted to estimate and if good. Because I know somebody said they would give me 100. It was like 100 for it. I'm like,
100 to do the repair?
Yeah, I was like, huh? I was like, wait, what? So I was kind of confused.
So where did you go get an estimate before?
It was Forestville Mall.
Forestville Mall?
Yes. It was over for a person at Forestville Mall. Because Apple, for the warranty, they said they would do it, but they would do it for, I think they said 65, 65. I said, okay, that's fine. But they said that, or if they said if the technician can't get it to work, then that they'll have to replace the whole phone, or I'll have to replace the whole phone. And I'm like, your technician should be able to repair it if it's your phone. So when they gave me the F, I was like, that's my last choice.
Okay. Okay, we'll go ahead and pause that video real quick, and if you don't mind